Good evening everyone. Now come to question number 7 of exercise 4.3. The difference of square of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. See this point, the square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So we will assume let the larger number be x. Then it is given square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Right? Now move according to question. The difference of square of two numbers. See, square of larger number is x square and square of smaller number is 8x. The difference is equal to 180. X square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. Now we will use factorization method. Two numbers whose product is minus 8x, whose product is minus 180, and after doing addition subtraction I need minus 8 of those terms. See, minus 18 plus 10, it is minus 8, and minus 18 into plus 10, it is minus 180. So we can split this middle term by writing it as minus 18x plus 10x minus 180 is equal to 0. Now common between first two terms x. Here common between first two term 10. X minus 18 and x plus 10. Either x minus 18 is equal to 0 or x plus 10 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 18 and x is equal to 10. Find the two numbers. Now we have two cases. Here larger number is equal to 18. Now we have square of smaller number. Square of smaller number is equal to 8 into 18, 144. So smaller number, root of 144, and as you all know, root of 144 is plus minus 12. See, larger number is equal to minus 10. Square of smaller number is equal to 8 into minus 10, minus 80, and we know square is always remain positive, so it is not possible. So this part rejected. This will be your answer. Eighth question is, a train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. It means here distance is 360 km. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 or less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So we will assume let the speed of train is equal to x kilometer per hour. Time taken by train when speed is x kilometer per hour. distance upon speed, you know it is equal to time taken by train when speed is increased 5 kilometer per hour. Now we have speed is x plus 5 kilometer per hour, so 360 upon x plus 5 time, and the time taken, if the speed is increased then it will take lesser time. So it is given in the question it takes 1 hour less for the same journey. Now move according to question. 360 upon x, if speed is increased it means this time is lesser as compared to this 360 upon x, so their difference is equal to 1. Now take 360 outside. Now we have 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 5, 1 by 1, LCM x plus 5. This 360 is multiplying, here it will divide, so x plus 5 minus x, then 5 over x square plus 5x is equal to 1 over 360. Now cross multiply, x square plus 5x, so x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Now two terms whose product is minus 1800, and we need after doing addition subtraction we need 5 with those terms. See, if I will multiply 45 and 40, it will become 1800, and we need negative 1800, so take 40 of negative sign, and 45 minus 40 is equal to 5. So x square, we can split this middle term by writing 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equal to 0. So common between first two terms x, common between last two terms minus 40, x plus 45 and x minus 40 is equal to 0. Either x plus 45 is equal to 0 or x minus 40 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 45. It is rejected because speed can't be negative. So speed of train is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Question number 9 is two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 and 3 by 8 hours. The larger tap takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time taken in which each tap can fill the tank separately. So we will assume let the time taken by larger tap to fill the tank is equal to x hours, right? So therefore the smaller tap takes x plus 10 hours to fill the tank, right? So portion of tank filled by larger tap in 1 hour is equal to 1 over x. Portion of tank filled by smaller tap in 1 hour, it is 1 over x plus 10. Now move according to question. See, two water taps together can fill the tank in 9 and 3/8 hours. See, 1 over x plus 1 over x plus 10. This is their 1 hour work together, right? The portion of tank they filled within 1 hour. And see, if I will multiply it by 9 and 3/8 hours, then our work done. They will fill the water tank completely within 9 and 3/8 hours. This is their 1 hour work, and I am multiplying it by total time taken by them. So this is equal to our work done. Now LCM of x and x plus 10. X plus 10 plus x. This 9 and 3/8 means 75 by 8 is equal to 1. 2x plus 10, x square plus 10x is equal to 8 by 75. Now cross multiply. 8x square plus 80x is equal to 150x plus 750. 8x square plus 80x minus 150x minus 750 is equal to 0. 8x square minus 70x minus 750 is equal to 0. Now see, 8 into 750. Now we can take common 2 as a common term among all three. So it will become 4x square minus 35x minus is equal to 0. So it is 4x square minus 35x minus 375, and 0 upon 2 is equal to 0, so no need to write it. Now 4x square into 375. Now two terms, so product should be 15 minus 1500, and after doing addition subtraction I need here minus 35. So this will become difficult for you, so we will use here quadratic formula. Now what is quadratic formula? It is d is equal to b square minus 4ac, and what is d here? B square minus 4ac, 4a is 4 and c is minus 375. Now square of 35 is 1225. 4 into 4 16, and 16 into 375. It is 6000. So this will become 7225, and x is equal to minus b plus root d upon 2a, and here x is equal to minus b minus root d upon 2a, minus 35 plus root 7225 upon 2a, and here also minus 35 minus root 7225 upon 2 into 4, So it is 35 and square root of 7225, it is 85 upon 8, and here 35 minus 85 upon 8, 120 upon 8 is equal to 15, and here it is minus 50 by 8, so it will reject it. Time can't be in negative. So time taken by larger tap is equal to 15 hours. Time taken by smaller tap is equal to x plus 10. It means 25 hours. So this will be your answer. Thank you.